Hi there, students. To dismantle, okay, a verb, the dismantlement of something. Okay, this means to take something apart, to take a machine apart, to split it down into its separate pieces. So there's something wrong with this engine. I need to dismantle it and find where the problem is, to take it to its separate parts so that I can see where the problem is. Okay, this bike fits in the car because you can dismantle it. You can take different pieces off it. It makes it much, much smaller. Okay, so to dismantle something, if you dismantle a structure or a machine, you strip it down into its different parts. Okay, so he set up all his equipment and did what he needed to do, and then he dismantled it. Yeah. So, for example, you go to IKEA, and you buy your piece of furniture, and you spend ages putting it back together, and then you realise that you've got to take it upstairs, and you try and dismantle it. That's going to be even harder to take it apart, to split something down into the separate pieces, to disconnect the pieces of. And then you can also use this more metaphorically. So to dismantle an organization or to dismantle a system, it's to get rid of it, effectively to take it apart. So yes, when various Eastern European countries became left the Soviet Union, it took them quite a long time to dismantle the organizations or the systems that were in place. If you're going to sell the company, if you gradually dismantle it to take it to parts and sell it in units, yeah, the unions are accusing the government of trying to dismantle the railway system. Yeah. You could also dismantle a claim or a statement. Yeah, you take it apart to show it's not true. Yeah, so I thought I'd made a very good argument, but then he used logic and completely dismantled everything that I've said. Yeah, okay, so to dismantle, to take apart, to tear down, to put an end to a system, to put an end to something in a systematic way. Yeah, if you if you rent a house or a flat, you go in and you put all your new things, and then when you leave, you need to dismantle it. You need to take everything down and put it ready to move to the next place. Originally, literally, to dismantle means to take the covering off something, to take the dress off something, the clothes off something. Because as to origin, dismantle comes from French démanteler, and mantle, the coat. So effectively it's taking the coat off something to dismantle. But nowadays, yeah, you put something together and then maybe you dismantle it. Okay, so dismantling a laptop can be quite a difficult thing to do. I think the bigger box machines are much easier to dismantle. Formality. I'm going to give it a 6. Informality. I think informally I might say take apart, but I guess you could use dismantle. So I think maybe use it anywhere, but better in something semi-formal or formal. And that's it. So to dismantle, to put something, you put the engine together and then you dismantle it. You take the parts off. You dismantle a system. You dismantle a company. You break it up. And stop it from working. And you could dismantle somebody's arguments, break it apart. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To dismantle.